Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to Jumian's channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. In today's video, I'm going to be trying something new on my hair, which is the rice water rinse. For my solution, I use some white rice and just pour it in a bowl, rinse it out. After I finished rinsing it out, I did pour 3 cups of water on it to get as much solution as possible. After the water was poured in, I covered it and put it to the side for 24 hours. I did this on Friday morning and I used it on Saturday morning. The next day, I did have my spraying bottle. I poured the rice water in the spraying bottle and my applicator. The rest of the water, I did put it in a glass cup, and I am going to be fermenting this for like 3 days, and I'm going to be using that for my next hair wash day. For this video, I am only going for a very simple solution because I'm trying it for the first time. I already washed my hair. After washing my hair, I did try as much as possible to get all the water out. I smell it to see if it really smelled bad, like people said. My solution did not smell bad at all. Yeah, it smelled like something kind of off water, but not bad. I did use the water by spraying it on my hair. I make sure I put it in every strand of my hair. Since I took all the water out, I want to be able to put the rice water on my hair so that I will be able to cover all my strands. I did went ahead and detangle my hair. What I'm going to say about this is I really did not feel like I am using something extraordinary. I think because my solution is pretty simple. I was surprised because this is rice water. I mean, if I didn't hear it from people, I would not think I can use rice water on my hair because I consider rice as a starch. But while I was doing my research, I did find out the rice contained a lot of vitamins. I'm really happy that I tried it because this really blows my mind in a very simple way because it's rice and I was able to use it on my hair. Anyway, let's move on from that. I finished application on my hair. I covered my hair with plastic and I kept it on my hair for 45 minutes. I went about doing whatever I'm doing around the house because it's Saturday. I'm here to show you what my hair look like. You really cannot see too much different, but when I was touching it, I felt like my hair is small bouncy. I don't know. But anyway, I kept smelling the solution. I kept smelling it on my hair. I really did not get strong smell. There is a smell to it, but not too bad. And I think because I didn't ferment it for too long and I didn't boil my rice. But after next week wash, I am going to be boiling the rice and I want to see what the outcome of that is going to be, or what difference of these three is going to be. I really appreciate you guys for watching. I'm going to go rinse my hair out now. I'm really happy that I tried this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me on my experience on this. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.